Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the problems of linear equations. Okay, so first of all, there are some questions I have written here. So six questions are there. So we will solve these six questions. Okay, whatever we given. So first, we should know how to solve the word problems of linear equation. So whenever a word problem is given, just read the question properly. So first thing is that you have to read it properly, thoroughly. That means step by step. So, okay, make a step and step by step we have to follow. So first of all, suppose it is written question number 1. Suppose question number 1, look at the question number 1. So it is written, a mother is 7 times as old as daughter. 2 years ago the mother was 13 times as old as her daughter. Find the present ages. Okay, don't read like this. Okay, so how to read this one whenever problem sum is given? So step by step you have to read. Okay, so first line, just read the first line, then whatever conclusion you are getting, just write it down. So first line is, there is, a mother is 7 times as old as daughter. Okay, this is the first line. What does it mean? If the age of the daughter is x, that means the mother is 7 times. 7 times means the mother will be 7x. The age of the mother will be 7x. Okay, so like this you have to read first line, then next one, like this you have to read it. Okay, and from every step whatever conclusion you are getting, just write it down. So here first step is that, so here first we have to let question number 1, in question number 1 first we have to let the age of daughter. Okay, age of daughter be x. So this is the first line. So age of the daughter is here x. Now what will be the mother's age? Therefore the mother's age will be, what will be the mother's age? Will be 7 times, that means 7x. This is the age of the mother. Okay, so first line we have the conclusion, this daughter age is x, mother's age is 7x. Done, first line. Now go to the next one. So in the next line it is given 2 years ago. Now this is the key point, 2 years ago. So from this again, just write it down, 2 years ago. Now suppose someone's age is now 20 years. Okay, 20 years. So that means 2 years ago what will be the age? His age will be 20 minus 2, that means 18. Okay, suppose someone's age is now 16 years. Now 2 years ago what will be the age? 16 minus 2, that is 14 years. Okay, like this. So here, so 2 years ago what will be the ages of the daughter and the mother here? So age of, first age of daughter. So age of daughter. So what will be the age of the daughter? Now look at the present age of the daughter. The present age of the daughter is x. So 2 years ago the age of the daughter will be x minus 2. Now age of the mother. What will be the age of the mother here? So mother will be 7x minus 2, because 2 years ago the age will be x minus 2 and the mother's age will be 7x minus 2. So this is the second step. Done. So like this you have to read whenever the whatever is given in the word problem, read step by step. Okay, and whatever conclusion you are getting, just write it down. So these two, from these two steps we have done this type of conclusion. Now next step, the mother was 13 times as old as her daughter. Okay, so it is given the now this is the second step. Okay, now this is the third stanza, this one, the mother was 13 times as old as her daughter. Okay, so that means now after 2 years ago, that means before 2 years the mother will be 13 times as old as her daughter. Now look at here. So 2 years ago the ages of daughter was, the age of the daughter was x minus 2 and the age of the mother was 7x minus 2. So it is given that age of the mother, that means 7x minus 2, will be 13 times, that means 13 into x minus 2. So this is given, age of the mother will be 13 times that of the daughter. That means 7x minus 2 equals to 13 into x minus 2. Like this. Okay, now this is a linear equation we have to solve, and from this you have to find the value of x. So here if I solve this one, what will get? 7x minus 2 equals to, Now multiply this one 13. So that will be 13x minus 26. Now same thing, linear equation, 7x will come here and 26 will come here. That means 26 minus 2 equals to 13x minus 7x. So that means 24, and that is 6x. So x will be 24 by 6. 24 by 6, that means 4. Okay, so that means x is here 4 years. So x is 4 years means the age of the daughter. The age of the daughter is 4 years. Okay, so here age of, that means present age. This is the present age. Present age of daughter. What is the present age of the daughter? That is 4 years. Okay, and this one, mother's age. What will be the mother's age? Present age of mother. Okay, so the age was 7x, that means 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Okay, so this is the way to solve what problems of linear equations. Okay, so whenever the question is given, just read the question step by step, write the conclusion, then you'll get the answer. Okay, done. This is the first one. Now move to the second one, question number 2. Second one, this is easy one. Sum of 3 consecutive odd number is 57. Find the numbers. Okay, so it is given sum of 3 consecutive odd number. Now first of all, what do you mean by consecutive? Suppose odd number means, you know, odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Those are the odd numbers. Okay, the consecutive means next. Okay, suppose 1, 5, 7, those are consecutive. No, they are not consecutive, because we know after 1, what is the first odd number after 1? That is 3. So 1, 3, 5, this is the consecutive odd numbers. Okay, suppose 5, 9, 11, this is consecutive. No, this is not consecutive odd numbers, because we know after 5 the number is odd number is 7, then it comes 9. So this is the consecutive odd number. So those are called the consecutive odd number, next to next. Okay, so these terms are called the consecutive odd numbers. Now look at the pattern. Whenever I write a consecutive odd numbers, there is a pattern. For example, suppose I am starting from 3. Suppose 3 is the first odd number. Now what is the next odd number will be after 3? 5. Then after 5, what is the next odd number? 7. Now look at the gap here. From 3 to 5, the gap is 2. Now 5 to 7, the gap is 2. That means between two odd numbers, between two consecutive odd numbers, the gap is what? The gap is 2. Okay, so whenever there are two consecutive odd numbers, the gap will be 2. Again, for example, 7, 9, 11, those are the consecutive odd number, because after 7 next odd number is 9, and after 9 the next odd number is 11. Now 7 to 9, the gap is here 2, and 9 to 11, the gap is here 2. So we can see between two consecutive odd numbers, the gap is here 2. Okay, so here, so it is given, so in the question, look at the question here. So sum of 3 consecutive odd number is 57. That means there are 3 consecutive odd numbers. So we don't know the first odd number. So here first let first odd number be x. Okay, first odd number be x. Suppose the first odd number is x. Now what will be the second odd number then? Second odd number. So what will be the second odd number? So you know, suppose here you can see here, suppose the first odd number is 5. Then what will be the next odd number? 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay, like this we got that. Again, what is the next odd number of after 7? That is 7 plus 2, 9. So that means whenever first odd number, we got the first odd number, we have to just add 2 with the number, we'll get the next odd number. Again, add 2, we'll get the next odd number. Like this it goes on. Okay, so here I am letting the first odd number be x. Then what will be the second odd number? Second odd number will be x plus 2. This one. Now the third odd number. Okay, now third odd number be x plus 2. Now plus 2 again, because we know we have to add 2 to get odd numbers. So here the first odd number is x. Next odd number is x plus 2. Again add 2. we'll get the third odd number. That means this is the three odd number. One is x, one is x plus 2, another is x plus 4. Those are the odd numbers. Okay, so we got the first three odd numbers. Now it is given sum of the three odd numbers is 57. So it is given the sum is 57. Okay, so according to problem, sum of this one, first odd number, second odd number, and third odd number, that will be 57. That means x plus 2 and x plus 4, the sum of these three odd number will be 57. Now this is a linear equation. Now this is a linear equation you have to solve. Okay, so how many x are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3x. That means 3x plus 4 plus 2, that is 6, equals to 57. Okay, now 6 will go there. 57 minus 6, so 50 minus 6, 57 minus 6, that will be 51. So 51, so 3x here will be 51. Now from here solve. So here x will be 51 by 3. Okay, so 51 by 3, so that will be 17. So that means x is 17. So my first odd number is here 17, because we have taken the first odd number as x. That means the first odd number is here. First odd number is here, number equals to 17. Now second odd number, that will be 17 plus 2, 19. Okay, and the third odd number will be 19 plus 2, that is 21, like this. Okay, so those are the odd numbers. Done. So this is the question number 2. Now we'll move to question number 3. Two complementary angles differ by 20 degree. Find the angles. So first of all, what is the key points? Okay, so first it is given two complementary angle. Okay, so that means there are two complementary angles. So what is complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, okay, if the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then one angle is called the complement of the other. Okay, for example, there, suppose one angle is 40 degree, another angle is 50 degree. So you can see the sum is here 90 degree. Then these two angles 40 and 50 is called the complementary angles. But suppose 30 degree and 50 degree, the sum is here coming 80. It is not equals to 90 degree. That means they are not complementary angles. Okay, so complementary angles means if one angle is something, this another angle is y. Suppose one angle is x, another angle is y, then the sum of these two will be 90 degree. That means those angles are complementary angles. So here at first it is given there are two complementary angles. That means we have to let the angles like this. Okay, so let the first angle, okay, the first angle be x, first angle be x. Now what will be the second angle then? So therefore the second angle b. Now we know in complementary angle, suppose suppose it is given there are two angles who are complementary. The first angle is 30 degree. Now how to find the second angle? To find the second angle, you have to subtract the angle with 90. That means 90 minus 30, 60 degree. This is the second angle. Okay, so whenever one angle is given, we have to find the another complementary angle. That means you have to subtract that angle from 90. So here also is the same thing. First angle is x, so second angle will be 90 minus x. Why 90 minus x? Because it is given complementary. Okay, whenever complementary, if the first angle is x, the second angle will be 90 minus x. Done. Now next, now it is given, it is differ. Now next step, differ by 20 degree. Differ means their difference is 20 degree. Okay, so according to the problem, we can write first angle, second angle. Now their difference. Now their difference means minus. The difference is given 20 degree. Okay. Now this one I have to solve. And now again this is a linear equation. You have to solve and find the value of x. So x, that is minus 90 degree. Minus is plus x. Here 20 degree. So here you can see x plus x. It will be 2x. And minus 90, if minus 90 goes there, it will become plus. That means 20 plus 90. So that will be 110. So 2x equals to 110 degree. Now what will be x then? x will be 110 degree by 2, that means 55 degree. So here you can see the first angle is here 55 degree. Okay, so here you can see first angle, the first angle will be 55 degree. Now we have to find the second angle. So what will be the second angle? The second angle will be 190 minus x, the second angle. So 90 minus 55 degree, so that will be the second angle. So that means 35 degree. Okay, so 35 degree will be the second angle. So that will be the answer. Okay, the first angle is 55 and the second angle is 35. You can see 55 and 35, the difference is here 20. So this is the way. Okay, so whenever the problem is given, just read the problem step by step, you'll get the answer. Very easy. Okay, but we have to read properly. Now next one. So next one, question number 4. This is very good problem. Now it is given twice the complement of an angle is equal to half its supplement. Now there are two words. Okay, there are two terms. One is complement, one is supplement. Now in the last question we have done, what do you mean by complement? Now what do you mean by supplement? Okay, supplement means if the sum of the two angles is 180 degree, okay, then it is called the supplementary angles. So supplement means sum of the angle has to be 180 degree. Suppose 30 degree and one is 150 degree. Now add this one, it will get it will be 180 degree. Now that means it is a supplementary angle. But 40 degree and suppose this is 60 degree. Now add this one, it is coming 100 degree. That means it is not supplementary. That means for supplementary the sum has to be 180 degree and for complementary the sum has to be 90 degree. So here you can see complement of an angle. That means first you have to let the angle. Okay, so suppose I am letting the angle be like this. Okay, so here question number 4, let the angle be x. Let angle be x. Now there are two things, one is complement of an angle and supplement of an angle. So first find the complement of an angle. Complement of the angle. So what will be the complement of the angle? The complement of the angle will be 90 minus x, 90 degree minus x. Now what is the supplement of the angle? Supplement of the angle will be 180 degree minus x. This is the supplement of the angle. Now move here. So here it is given twice the complement angle. So according to the problem, okay, according to the problem, twice means 2 times the complement angle. That means 90 minus x equals to, okay, equals to, it is given half of the supplement. That means half into 180 degree minus x. Okay, so this is the equation is given. Twice the complementary is equals to half the supplementary. Half the supplementary means half into that one. Now solve this one. Okay, we have to solve this one. So here you can see if I multiply the 2, that will be 180 degree minus 2x. Now here and on the right hand side you can see this is 180 minus x by 2. 180 degree minus x by 2. So there is nothing, that means there is a 1. So use the cross method here, cross multiplication. If I multiply 2 here, it will be 2 into 180 degree minus 2x and 1 into 180 degree minus x. So multiply this one, 360 degree minus 4x, and here it is 180 degree minus x. Okay, so here minus 4x will come here and 180 degree will come here. That means 360 degree minus 180 degree equals to 4x minus x. So that will be 180 degree equals to 3x. Okay, so this is 180 degree equals to 3x. Now from here you can write x equals to 180 degree by 3, that means 60 degree. So here you can see x is here 60 degree. So x is coming 60 degree. Now we have to find the angles. Okay, now this is the angle then, x equals to 60 degree. Okay, because we have let the angle be x here, na? Yes, we have let the angle be x. That means this is the answer, x equals to 60 degree. Okay, so this is the case. Now we can verify the answer also. So in the question it is given complement of the angle is half of the supplement of the angle. Okay, complement of the angle will be what? 90 degree minus 30 degree. So we have got what? We have got the answer is 60, sorry. So 90 minus 60, this is a verification. This is you can do verification. My answer is correct or not. This is only for checking my answer is correct or not. This is not necessary. Okay, up to this we have to write up to this only. Okay, but for satisfaction my answer is correct or wrong, I'm just checking it is correct or wrong. Now how to check? First it is given complementary angle. So 90 minus 60, the complementary angle is 30 degree. And what is the supplementary angle? 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. Now in the question it is given double of the complementary angle, that means 30 degree into 2 equals to 60 degree is equal to half of the supplementary angle. Half of this angle means that is also 60 degree. Now you can see those angles are equal, so that means my answer is correct. Okay, so here we can write my here we can see the answer will be, the angle will be 60 degree. Okay, so up to this you have to write. Okay, and after this is just verification, this is not needed. Okay, in the exam it is not needed, it is a verification you can do for checking the answer, your answer is coming correct or wrong. Okay, after this that will be the answer, x will be 60 degree, that means the angle will be 60 degree. Done. So that was question number 4. Now move to question number 5. Two numbers are in ratio 5:3. Okay, so again first step, like this you have to read. Okay, whenever the again I am telling this, whenever something is given, a question is given, first you have to read step by step. Okay, so first step is two numbers are in ratio 5:3. Now whenever the ratio is given, okay, suppose the ratio is given 5:3 here, that means the first number you have to take 5x and the second number you have to take 3x, like this. Okay, so here let the numbers be be 5x and 3x, like this. Okay, 5x and 3x. Now next one is if each number is increased by 10. Now if each number is increased by 10, that means what will be the new number? So that means if each number increased by 10 then the numbers are 5x plus 10, and so that will be 5x plus 10 and 3x plus 10, because it is increased by 10, so the numbers will be 5x plus 10 and 3x plus 10. Okay, now next, then the ratio becomes 7:5. This is the third step. Then the ratio becomes 7:5. That means the ratio, this ratio 5x plus 10, so according to the problem, this ratio, that means 5x plus 10 divided by, ratio means division here, 5x plus 10 divided by 3x plus 10, this ratio is equals to what? This ratio is equals to 7:5. That means 7 by 5. Okay, 7 by 5. Now cross multiplication, this one multiply with this one will multiply with this one. Now simple thing, linear equation you have to solve, cross multiplication. So 5 into 5x plus 10 and here 7 into 3x plus 10. So multiply this one, that will be 25x plus 50, and that is 21x plus 70. Now 21x will come here and 50 will come here, that means that will be 25x minus 21x and 70 minus 50, like this. Now 25 minus 21, that means that will be 4x equals to and 70 minus 50, that is 20. So x will be, the value of x will be 20 by 4, that means 5. So x will be 5. Okay, so x is coming 5, therefore the numbers are so what will be the numbers? So look, what was the first number you have taken? You have taken the first number as 5x. Okay, that means 5x. So x is here 5, so 5 into 5, that is 25. And the second number is 3x, that means 3 into 5, that is 15. So those are the numbers. So numbers are 25 and 15. Done. Now we move to question number that means the original number will be 25 and 15. Question number 5. Now next one, question number 6. Now this is a very important problem. Question number 6. The sum of the digits of two digit number is 12. Now look at this properly. So two digit number. So whenever a two digit number given, how to form a two digit number? For example, there is a number 24. Okay. Suppose there is a number 24. Now how a two digit number forms? Suppose there is a number 24. Now how does it form? It is formed like this: 2 into 10 plus 4. Okay, so this is the way to form a two digit number. Now there are two places. One is called, this one is called unit place or ones digit. Okay, this is called ones digit, and this one is called the tens digit. Okay, now whenever we know the digits, okay, tens digit, ones digit, now how to form a number? Suppose ones digit is 3 and tens digit is 4. Now how to form the number? The formula is 10 into tens digit, okay, plus ones digit. This is the formula. So whenever there is a number digit, we know ones digit is 3 and tens digit is 4. So how to form? 10 into tens. What is the tens digit here? 4 plus ones digit. What is the ones for? 3. So that will be 40 plus 3. That means 43. So that will be the number. Okay, so this is the way to form a number. The formula is to form a number, this one: 10 into tens digit plus ones digit. Okay, so here first let that ones digit be anything. Okay, let ones digit be, suppose, x. Okay, so ones digit be x. Now tens digit, so what will be the tens digit here? So look at the question here. So in the question it is given sum of the digits of two digit number is 12. Sum of the digit is what? 12. That means if the first ones digit is x, the tens digit will be 12 minus x, like this. So first find the number here. So number, what will be the number? 10 into tens. The formula is here 10 into tens. Now what is the tens here? 12 minus x plus ones digit. Now what is the ones digit here? X, like this. Okay, so multiply this one: 120 minus 10x plus x. So that is 120 minus 9x. That means, so that will be the number. Okay, 10 into tens plus ones. Okay, 10 into tens plus ones. Done. Now next step, if 18 is added to it, that means we have to add 18 to the number. Okay, so if 18 is added, then what will happen? The number will become like this: 120 minus 9x plus 18. So that will become like this: 120 minus 9x plus 18, that is 138 minus 9x. So 18 is added. Now what is given? Now if 18 is added, the digits are reversed. Okay, okay, you have to find the numbers. Find the number. You have to find the number. So if 18 is added, the digits will be reversed. That means here, if I add 18, the digits will be reversed, means ones will go to tens and tens will go to ones. That means, look, tens will go to ones and ones will go to tens, like this. Okay, so the new number, okay, after adding 18, the new number, what will be the new number then? New number will be 10 into reverse. Okay, the reverse means ones will go to tens and tens will go to ones. That means it will become 10 into x plus 12 minus x. Okay, so reverse of digit means tens will go to one place and ones will come to tens place. Okay, so that is 10 into x plus 12 minus x. So that will be 10x plus 12 minus x. That means 9x plus 12. Okay, so this will be the new number. and this is also the new number, so that means both will be equal. So here we can write, according to the problem, 138 minus 9x equals to 138 minus 9x equals to 9x plus 12. So 9x plus 12. Now here you can see minus 9x is there, minus 9x will come here and 12 will come here. So that means 138 minus 12 and 9x plus 9x. So that will be 6 to 126 and 18x. So that will be x will be 126 by 18. Okay. Now this one you have to solve. So that will be 7. So x will be 7 here. That means x is coming 7. So from here we can see ones digit is here. That means 7. Now what will be the tens digit here? So the tens digit will be 12 minus 7. So tens digit will be 12 minus 7. That means 5. So the number will be, so the number, what will be the number then? The number will be like this. Okay, first write the ones digit. What is the ones digit here? 5, and then tens digit here 5. So 57 will be the number. Okay, so this is the way to solve this type of problem. So first you have to write ones. Now here you have to write the tens. So number is 57. Now we can verify our answer is correct or wrong. How can you verify? Now in the question it is given some of the digits is, now this is the verification. After this we can do. Now for verification, now how to verify my answer is coming correct or wrong here? So my answer is coming 57 here. So in the question it is given some of the digit has to be 12. So you can see 5 plus 7, the answer is coming 12. Okay, so first done. So it is coming correct, sum is coming 12. Now second form is given, if we add 18, now add 18 here. If I add 18, that will become 75. So that means look, digits are reversed na. So first the answer was 57, after adding it becomes 75. Now you can see 7 and 5 replace their places here. That means it is reverse. So that means my answer is correct. My answer is correct here. So the answer is 57. Okay, so like this you have to solve the problems. What problems are? Linear equation. Okay, so whenever a linear equation is given, just look at the question properly, step by step read it. Okay, step by step you have to read it down, and whatever conclusion you are getting, just write it down. After that it will come, it will definitely come whatever the answer is. Okay, like this. For thank you for today. Next classes we'll do another problems. Thank you.